Thank you, Travis. Thank you guys so much. You can date an alien and steal his teleport secrets. How do I feel? Would you date an alien? Because I won't. Hi guys. Hi Kay. Hi Ado. Hi Ranger. Maybe. Really. Thank you, Fab. Depends on if they have tentacles. Hi, Lawrence. It's already 2:10 p.m. here in the Philippines. Hi, Kevin. Hi, Joao. I hope so. When are you planning to visit Philippines? I don't really suggest visiting Philippines as of the moment because of the weather. It's too hot. It's too hot here. What is the best month in visiting Australia? It's 45 degrees. Hi, baby. I breathe. Sure, Fab. Well, in Australia, it's best in April to September. Hi, Kiyo. What's your favorite place in Australia? Hi, Jay. Hi, Zen. Hala, hala, wala ako kahapon. Hala, malapit na ako mag-end ng live. Bakit naman? Ngayon lang. Hi, Sunday. Hala, hala. Parang ayaw mo naman ako mag-end ng live niyan, Zen. May lakad pa ako. May trabaho pa ako. Sabi ko sa kanila mamaya, tatry ko ulit mag-live. Punta lang muna ako ng City Hall ng 3. I gotta pretend I care about work. Nice chatting with you. Mga 2:30 pa naman. Mga 2:30 pa naman ako mag-e-end. Bye, Aussie Spy. Thank you so much for the support. Hi, Mike. How do I breathe? How do I breathe? Enjoy your day as well. Thank you. Kagabi kasi, dapat magla-live talaga ako. Kaso, may pinuntahan nga akong birthday. Eh, ano oras na ako umuwi? 1 a.m. na halos.